Good morning, children. Welcome back for e-learning. So let's get started. Today we are here to learn English 2, that is English grammar, second subject of English. Okay, so let's get started. So today we are going to learn link verbs that is used to make sentences. You can say for framing a correct sentence, you need to use link verbs such as am, is, are. Which are the link verbs? Am, is, are. So these are the words which are used to make a sentence correct and sensible. You can just have a look. These are the words am, is, are. Okay, so I would like to explain you why we use this word. Supposing there is an example, okay, I a boy. Does it make sense if you're telling yourself I a boy? No, because it's a wrong English and it's an incomplete sentence. There is no sense in the sentence, there is no meaning in the sentence. And when I will use am in that, I am a boy. So does it make any sense, children? Yes, it does make a sense because it's a correct grammar, correct sentence, complete sentence, and it does make a sense. It's a meaningful sentence. So I a boy is a wrong English as per the grammar. So you have to say a complete sentence with taking care of the grammar rules. So the correct sentence is I am a boy. Okay, so next example I'll just give you we children. Okay, so is it correct? We children? No, it's wrong. The correct sentence, the meaningful sentence for this goes we are children. Okay, so we all are children. We are children. We children, it's an incomplete sentence. We are children, so it makes sense. Okay, and it's a complete sentence, meaningful sentence by using the link verb are. And in the first example we have used the verb is am. Okay, now this third example is you can say she a girl. Okay, is it correct? No, it's wrong, it's incomplete, it's senseless, it's not meaningful sentence at all. So the correct sentence will be she is a girl. Okay, she who is a girl? She is a girl. Okay, so she is a girl. Here we have used link verb as is. So children, always when you are speaking, writing, when you are supposed to write correct English, make a meaningful sentence, always read it out or just read in your mind that whether it is sounding correct as per grammar. Usually we can come to know when we speak, or we just speak in our mind that does the sentence make a sense. Okay, so you have to think about it and then write it down, or speak whenever you are talking in English or you're writing in English. So you have to use these words. These are the combination of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. Okay, like I am a boy, I told you. Then she is a girl, we are children. So there are many examples in your workbook. In your first standard workbook we have studied this, in second standard also we are studying it, and in third standard also we are studying it. Why? To make your base correct, to make your English grammar correct. And children, always remember, if you want to learn or you want to speak or you want to write any language, your basic grammar should be very strong. If your grammar is correct, your grammar is good, your language vocabulary for that language will be very improved, very good, and it should be best. So you have to pay attention on the grammar rules always when you're reading, writing and learning any kind of language, whether it is English, Hindi, Marathi, blah blah blah. Okay children, so now It's time for the assignment work, and there are lots of exercises given in your workbook as a filling the blanks. I'll just read it out and you can note it down right away, or you can afterwards take your workbook and notebook, note it down in your notebook. Okay, so the first one is I dash a boy. That we have done already. So I am a boy. We are boys. You are a girl. You are girls. He is a doctor. They are doctors. She is a nurse. They are nurses. It is a rat. They are rats. This is my book. These are my books. That is a bird. Those are birds. The mango is sweet. Mother is in the kitchen. So we are done for the day. Thank you. Bye.